Greeting everyone. We are Group 12. Our group members here are Bong and Kueh Tieng. I am Bong with metric number 78977. Today we will be presenting our project titled Preserving Malaysia Traditional Musical Instrument using an offline audio applications. Malaysia is a country rich in cultural diversity, and traditional music plays an important role in shaping our national identity. Instruments like the rebab, gabang, gambus, and tongkongan are not only musical tools, they reflect rituals, history, and value of various communities. Unfortunately, with modernizations and the rise of digital entertainments, these traditional sounds are slowly fading away. To address this, we developed an idea for an offline audio application that achieves real recordings of these instruments, educate users with cultural descriptions, and can be accessed without internet, especially useful for rural users. Through this project, we learned how deeply connected the instruments are to Malaysia's ethnic and spiritual identity. For example, the rebab is symbolic in Kelantan's Mak performance, while the tongkongan in Sabah reflects indigenous agricultural rituals. However, we also realize many young people are disconnected from the traditions due to modern lifestyles and lack of exposures in school. We saw the urgent need to preserve the sounds, not just the appearance of this instrument, and to make this cultural heritage text more accessible and engaging. Digital technology greatly supported our research and idea developments. We use databases like Science Direct and Progress Quest to study the technical and cultural aspect of these instruments. We also explore rare recordings in digital audio archives, such as those by Illinois State University, which helps us hear and understand the instrument's unique tonal characteristics. To design the app, we use Canva to create a user-friendly interface and Audacity to compress and optimize audio for offline playback. This makes our concept both practical and inclusive, especially for rural communities like those in Sarawak where internet access is limited.
Hello, my name is Kueh, matrix number 79802. Now I'm going to talk about impact of digital technology on cultural preservation. First of all, it goes beyond preserving physical instruments. It can enable sound, history of the music instruments. Second will be sound achieved. For example, the Tongkonggong bamboo resonance. It preserves intangible heritage. The third will be offline. The application is offline. The offline tools give the access for the rural communities and make them learn more even in the unstable network. The fourth will be tourism benefit. The tourists can access information in remote areas, which enhance engagement. Last will be youth engagement. The audio downloads, social sharing, and learning features will attract the younger users. Challenge phase. First challenge we face in our project is audio recording limitation. It is difficult to capture high quality sound in the rural settings. Second, digital divide. Some rural communities are lack smartphones or tablets, so the application cannot be used. Third will be cultural sensitivity. Some instruments, such as sompoton, have sacred ceremonial value and it must be handled respectful and careful. Solution implemented. The solution we implement for this project is use binaural field recording equipment to capture authentic sound. Second, we create the hybrid distribution model, such as pre-installed app on shared rural devices. And we conducted community workshop to co-create cultural accurate content with elders. We applied compression algorithms for optimized offline playback without quality loss. Next, I will be talk about wireframe screens. This is the wireframe that for our project. This is the home page. This is the instrument list page. This is the instrument details page. This is the about page. In conclusion, traditional instruments are vital cultural assets at risk of being forgotten. The offline audio app offers an inclusive, modern way to preserve sound-based heritage. We can ensure access for rural learners, students, and tourists. We can bridge tradition and technology to keep Malaysia's musical legacy alive. That's all from us. Thank you.